There's a massive shift happening in the world right now. More businesses are moving online. More marketing is happening through digital platforms. And the skills used to grow businesses today look very different than they did even 10 years ago. The truth is, the people who understand digital marketing, online branding, and AI tools are positioning themselves for opportunities that simply didn't exist before. That's why our training programs were created. They are designed to teach real digital marketing and online business skills step by step, starting from the basics and progressing into more advanced strategies used by modern online businesses. Let me walk you through the program so you can see exactly what's inside and how the training builds from one level to the next. For $100, the first level is called Launchpad, and this is where everything begins. Launchpad is designed for someone who is completely new to digital marketing or online business and wants to understand how the digital space actually works. Inside Launchpad, you'll learn the foundations. You'll learn what digital income models are and how online businesses operate. You'll learn about resale rights, how digital products are distributed, and how modern online businesses generate revenue. But Launchpad also focuses heavily on practical setup. You'll learn how to set up your social media platforms, including TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. You'll build a basic online presence. You'll understand how automated sales processes work. You'll connect payment systems and test your automated setup. You'll track conversions and understand how online business performance is measured. Another major component is learning how to generate traffic online. You'll learn how to post free classified ads across the internet, how to write ads that convert, and how those ads can drive people to your content or your business. There are also step-by-step tutorials showing you how to run an online business using System.io, including email automations and funnel templates. So Launchpad really gives you the starting framework for understanding how digital businesses operate. For $300, the next level is Passive Daily Pay program, and this expands significantly on the foundation built inside Launchpad. Everything from Launchpad is included, but now the focus shifts toward marketing and customer attraction. This is where you begin learning the deeper skills used in digital marketing. Inside this program, you learn about the different types of resale rights, including master resale rights, and private label rights, and the legal structure behind them all. You'll also begin learning one of the most important skills in marketing, and that's understanding your audience. You'll learn how to identify the people you want to reach, how to attract them, and how to build content that connects with them. Another major focus in this program is storytelling in marketing. Businesses today don't just promote products, they connect with people through stories, messaging, and emotional engagement. Inside this training, you'll learn how to share your story in content and video, create messaging that resonates with your audience, build emotional connection through storytelling, and incorporate storytelling into your marketing strategy. There's also training on building a strong brand identity, including how to develop messaging that stands out and positions you clearly in the marketplace. You'll also learn marketing strategies across multiple platforms, including TikTok, YouTube, Instagram Reels, Stories, Pinterest, and live video. This level begins teaching how to attract customers instead of chasing them. For $600, the third level is called Digital Mastery, and this is where the training expands into full digital marketing strategy and business growth. This program includes everything from Launchpad and Passive Daily Pay, but now focuses on scaling and long-term business growth. Inside Digital Mastery, you'll learn how to build a structured business model online. You'll learn about income-producing activities, setting revenue goals, building business foundations, and tracking conversions and performance. A major focus of this program is email marketing and list building. Email is one of the most powerful marketing tools available today because it allows businesses to communicate directly with their audience. You'll learn how to build an email list, create an email marketing strategy, write effective email campaigns, measure and optimize your results, Another key area focused in digital mastery is recurring income models. You'll learn what recurring income is, how it works, and how businesses create predictable revenue streams over time. This level also introduces affiliate marketing and partnerships, teaching how businesses collaborate and leverage partnerships to grow faster. And there is also training on how to use AI tools to dramatically increase productivity, helping you create content faster and streamline marketing tasks. The $900 program, the final program level is Legacy Builders, which includes everything from the previous programs. At this level, the focus shifts towards creating your own digital products and scaling a business long term. Inside Legacy Builder, you'll learn how to create your own digital product or training program. You'll also learn to choose the type of digital product you want to create, structure the program or course, price your product, record lessons and create course content, and launch your program to the market. There is also training on running launches, including how to build compelling offers and how to structure webinars to introduce your program to potential customers. As your business grows, the training also includes scaling strategies, including when to hire help, how to gather feedback and testimonials, managing refunds, turning your customers into affiliates who promote your product. Another component inside Legacy Builder is building an online community, which many modern businesses now use to support their customers and members. This level essentially teaches how to move from learning digital marketing skills to building a full digital business ecosystem. For those who want access to everything at once, the complete training package includes all of the programs together. The training covers a wide range of digital marketing and modern online business skills, including social media marketing across multiple platforms, branding and positioning, content creation strategies, audience growth and engagement, email marketing and list building, AI tools used in modern digital marketing, affiliate marketing, digital product creation, online business scaling strategies. The training is self-paced, which means you can go through the lessons on your own schedule. There are also weekly live training sessions every Monday where additional strategies, updates, and guidance are shared. And the full training investment is $1,400 with payment plans available. This level comes in both English and in Spanish. The world is becoming more digital every year. Businesses need people who understand how to market online, how to build audiences, and how to use modern digital tools. Learning these skills can open doors to many different opportunities, whether you want to promote your own business, support other businesses, or build an online brand. If you'd like to explore the training programs and see which level makes the most sense for you, take a look at the information available and review the program details. Everything is designed to help you understand how the digital marketplace works and how these skills can be applied in the modern economy.